Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado, I.
Amar ko pala ng donate mo tuwaga. Kanal na chalete na. Al na chalete na. Haba ki bruk bagina fokol. Ki bruk bagina fokol. Aki bruk batwa ke chaile batwa. Ko pala nromele something yana batwa. Ki bruk.
Skipper.
Nonsense.
Mngani sengihlukene nobhuti wakho. Okay sis. Sengithola nobabweni. Bekanye rice yeza ne beef.
Guys, if someone is parking on the parking bay next to you and they are reversing in, please don't move. Because someone next to me was moving. I was reversing and they were pulling out. And I almost died thinking that my car is still moving.
Uxelwa yonke into sana, yonke into nifuna uyixelelwa. Good morning uhamba no view once wentsula. Good morning baby, intsula, view once. Good morning sanda sam, ibele, view once. Nina yonke into nifuna uyixelelwa. Nijike nikhala lapha nithani nizawulasa njani ngase namaqheka entsula? Nawulasa njani? Uzokushiya kona. Ukushiya kona uzokushiya. Kodwa ke nomdade makakushiye uzamile. Makakushiye uzamile. Bethunana, unyaka omtsha sizobe sicacisa oko sinifundisa oko. Intsula, morning, ibele, morning. Ha! Hayi.
Una mfana mona commenta mo go etare. Why ke berekisa flashlight during the day? I'm pizza mo. Hey wait. Can you see here? Let me switch off the flashlight. Let me switch it off. Can you see here? You must stop commenting kakte. Using the flashlight during the day. Yeah, there are places where you cannot see. Like here, under the dashboard. Or under the engine. No, nice.
Ilafribana nginobala ba Facebook kanje nginobala.
Lalela lana ke wena nja. Ngifuna uthatha yonke lento yakho uma ufika endlini ngoba ngiyakuzama ngikwenza umuntu wena ungifebela nezingane zesikole mas. Yey.
Hey guys, my name is Sivelo Tech and I want to be the next NASFAS.
No. NASFAS presenter, sis.
The next NASFAS presenter, sis.
No, man. Presenter.
The present.
Continue.
NASFAS has helped me with so many things regarding school, especially books. Vote NASFAS.
No. Vote for you.
Vote for me and NASFAS.
No, for you to be NASFAS
Vote
presenter.
me to be NASFAS.
Presenter.
Bro,
what the fuck is happening?
Go NASFAS.
Lona understand or chelete tsotso ifukuzetse ayikabi
Seriously?
Yeah.
Adi license. Ufeleji ka dipampiri. Mara re bona re skoko stale kana na.
Aya sekana. Awo so.
Apo veleji adi license mo le. Lego vele.
Hello, what's your name? What's your name? Yaya from where?
I stay in Wonder Park.
You stay in Wonder Park. Are you in South African girl? Imagine. Are you in South African girl?
I am.
So tell me your mission. What you use this is for?
We put in a drink for people.
Imagine you put
For
it inside
people
this
to
wine.
do what? To do what?
To sleep.
To sleep.
To
After
sleep.
sleeping.
Still drop the house.
After sleeping, what will you do?
We steal everything in the
You steal everything in the house. Okay, it's fine now. So the police are coming.
Ayubu is my way. They talk to me. They understand. They talk to me. They talk to me. They talk. They talk to me. They understand. They talk to me. Uzu wanpipiriza, uzu wadomburubuza, uzu.
Kamu. Kamu. Oh, Rumetse. Baba. Wezi, kina le bothata. Masibeko kana le tlile mo la
Masibeko gape.
Masibeko na le mofrugo. A re o na le problem ya phone. Ha ke tsebe a re phone ya gagwe e etsa eng. So ke tse wena o tlo etsa. So o tlo etsa ka gore ke tsebe wena. You are jack of all trades, master of all. Ke tsebe wena le technology. Wena a ga tsebe o tlo go tota fe. E be le gore phone ya Masibeko e lokile. Go buile ke o etse le bona.
Ke tla I check.
Ya I check. Ke go potso. So ga tu. So ga o lokisa phone ya Masibeko.
Ke tlo etsa mama. Ke tlo etsa.
Yeah. No, ke mneletse ka re a kana a bue maybe after bo 30 minutes because ke tsebe wena it won't take you time. Yeah, lokisa phone ya Masibeko hle. A ke go botsa go tlo lokisa phone ya Masibeko.
Mama ke a tsoga.
Yeah. Ke tsitse molemo hle. Yo. Ke tsime mona o le ki.
Go potime mama.
Mara wa tsoga ke.
Mama ke tlo tsoga.
Hi guys, I don't mean to take you out of the waiting for results mood, but I have to tell you this because today I'm coming from a date. It ended so quickly, so I had to come back because like, what was that? Anyways, that's not the point. So when we arrived there, this girl was bragging about the fact that she's a regular in this restaurant we went. It's called Mike's Kitchen. So I'm like, okay, then let's call the waiter then, because myself I'll just order a burger and some chips. Then she orders whatever she wants. So girl says, as I wait for my food, can I have a daiquiri? What? Myself, I'm like, what's a daiquiri? In my mind, I'm like, what's a daiquiri? Even the waiter's like, what? A daiquiri? The waiter's like, no, ma'am, can you please show me what you mean by a daiquiri? She's like, I mean like a strawberry daiquiri or any daiquiri you have. Oh my God, I've never been so embarrassed. The girl wanted a strawberry daiquiri. Oh my God. Bruh, I could see the waiter holding his laughter back. I'm sure those people in that restaurant think she was my girlfriend. Hey.
For drinks ko pa uma strawberry dag ndondo. Strawberry dag ingin na ay kasi dag wat le. Strawberry dag kumakale. Okay. Ay, can I get a strawberry daiquiri? Hi, can I get a strawberry daiquiri? Daiquiri. Fine. Daiquiri. Hi, Bo. Can I get a strawberry daiquiri? I'm going to Google search. Okay, fine. Hi, can I get a strawberry daiquiri? Yes, thank you.
Daiquiri.
Strawberry daiquiri.
Daiquiri.
Just try for the next dinner.
Bro.
I'm not slow. Yeah, Bala.
My God, I don't know if you guys are working too quickly, but look at my KFC, my God.
You got it here.
I got it here, my God.
Sir?
I got it here.
You want to give us this?
No, I'm saying I got it with my order. I got it with my order.
Right now.
I swear, I got it raw. Gandom. How's my chicken raw?
I gave you hot and fresh. This one.
How'd that get in there?
Raw chicken.
How about boss? Whatever money. I have money with us.
I thought Africa money with that.
And you know what South Africa was? Huh? Now I'm going to do it. I'm going to cover the 157. They keep on. Eh?
Baby,
Huh?
can you see this cake?
Yeah?
I bought it for you. Ne? And that's the only cake you'll be eating.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I love you.
Yeah, I love
And
you
you
too.
better enjoy your birthday.
Okay. Why should I only eat this cake, babe?
Because I bought it for you. So, implies you must only eat my cake. Isn't it? So, eat it.
Okay, baby. Thank you, baby.
Eat it.
Lang hambisanin doon, dosen silang yatelen.
Sikoshe. Umuhle kanje. Umuhle kanje.
Nangfuna ukuhlala nani.
Oh, wena usanda thina. Uyasanda thina.
Mama.
Sasa nje ubulize lesikoleni. Ngiyazuza lesikoleni sasa.
Mina nginubona uphuphu. Senjamfuna mina.
Uphuphu?
Thanda abazali bami mina.
Manje phela ufuna ufunde phela. Ukuthi usekakhulu.
Ngise kakhulu mina ngiyadelela.
Awudelele.
Ngiyadelela mina.
Udelele bani wena? Umuhle kanje.
Mina ngiyamthanda kodwa mina ngimthanda ngiyadelela.
Oh, Justin Nine, how are you? Where's the money? Where's the money? Huh, Leon Schuster.
You have been shocked. There is a camera over there, and there's a camera over there.
Timan Express. Timan. Hawu, Capso wethu.
Bonjour. Ngithola kumayimai mina ngithola mfethu ngise-Starbucks ngishode i-Rick Owens. Hayi ka. Bonjour.
Unofana uhambe naye ipizza phone.
Hey, Atasa! 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 Atasa!
You! Timer! Whoa! Bona guys. Leya lana kuthiwa indutsu umrawu itrabane yazi umuntu xa esithi uthethe impondo okanye uthethe indutsu when the person is saying uthethe impondo or uthethe indutsu they talking about indutsu zale timer. Yo, timer. Now guys, another situation. 5 million rands and this timer sits his ass on your face okanye yayeka.
Mina uthatha ukugodwa la. Uthatha ukugodwa isibopho. Ozokuthatha ilento ozoyenza. Okay.
Our winner in mathematics. Okay, I see again. 1 plus 1.
2.
2 plus 2.
4.
4 plus 4.
8.
8 plus 8.
16.
16 plus 16.
32.
32 plus 32.
64.
64 plus 64.
108.
128 plus 128.
256.
256 plus 256.
504.
512 plus 512.
1024.
1024 plus 1024.
2048.
Wow! Damn! Wow!
I'm an introverted person.
ene thaveni na le plasma yona e bora hore kra banna ba no ba lebeletse bolo ba no ba sa le bone bo sister
baba mafradi waqedile izolo.
Washile mafradi. emaningini amangaka egcolile sitya sonke.
Hayi mhlawumbe umama wanikeza umanti yothi aphathe emsikoleni.
Awuyabonanga umuntu uyishela izinto zakhe. Mama